Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the fermentation, right? So fermentation, it is nothing but it is an enzyme catalyzed metabolic process, right? Which is catalyzed by the enzyme, and it is the metabolic process whereby organism convert, right? Different types of microorganisms, bacteria, they convert the starch or sugar or carbohydrate or glucose to alcohol. Basically that thing it is happening here in fermentation process. Starch or sugar it will convert into the alcohol. So this process or this entire thing it is also known as a zymology, right? So it comes under the fermentation, comes under the zymology, right? So here when we talk about the basic process of the fermentation, it is nothing but any glucose or any carbohydrate we are going to take or subject for fermentation, which will convert into the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Okay, so this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate it will convert into the 3-phosphoglyceric acid, right, where the NAD it will convert into the NADH plus one hydrogen molecule, right? So after this 3-phosphoglyceric acid it will convert into the pyruvic acid, right? So here again the NADH which has been converted, that will convert into the NAD, and ethanol it is going to produce with the release of carbon dioxide. So this is the basic process of fermentation which happen in every type of fermentation almost, right? So coming to the types, so basically here 4 types of fermentation we are going to discuss. The first one is the alcohol fermentation. As the name indicate, the fermentation it is going to have for the alcohol, right, which is going to convert into the ultimately the goal it is the ethanol. That ethanol is nothing but alcohol. So what is happening here, as I told you, glucose we are going to subject to here C6H12O6, that is the glucose which will in the presence of dehydrogenase and decarboxylase enzyme. That's what enzyme catalyzed the metabolic process. So these enzymes we are subjecting here, right? So it will convert into the acetaldehyde, that is the 2CH3CHO, and 2 molecule of carbon dioxide, and at last 2 molecule of ethanol it is going to produce. That's what it is called the alcohol fermentation. Second type it is lactic acid fermentation. In this what we are going to do, again we are going to subject the glucose, the C6H12O6, in the presence of lactobacillus lactate dehydrogenase. That enzyme it is going to convert into the 2CH3CHOCOOH, that is nothing but lactic acid. Coming to the third type of the fermentation, the acetic acid fermentation. So C2H5OH, that is the ethanol in the presence of oxygen. Acetobacter it is going to involve in this process, and the CH3COOH, that is the acetic acid by releasing of water, right? So the fourth one, the butyric acid fermentation. When we talk about butyric acid, the butyric acid we are going to take C6H12O2 in the presence of Clostridium butyricum, right? In this presence of this microbes, this organism, C4H8O2 plus 2CO2 and 2H2 molecule it is going to release, and ultimately it is going to have. So this is the 4 types of fermentation where basically the things are getting converted into the alcohol. Whatever the thing we are subjecting in the presence of enzyme, in the presence by the microorganism, the glucose it is converting into the alcohol and related products. So that is called fermentation. Thank you.